Wow, I look absolutely crazy. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know what's going on today. I don't know. It is my third week in quarantine, or what is it called? Social distancing, whatever. Yeah, I haven't worked in 3 weeks. I haven't been out in 3 weeks. Well, 2 weeks going into my third week. And I probably look as crazy as I feel right about now. So, hey, I'm really excited because a package has finally come in. Had I not been in this quarantine thing, I don't think I would have purchased this item, but I guess we'll see how it goes. So I did order the kiarasky soft gel nail extension system. And I did actually really want to try this out, but the reason why I said I probably wouldn't have bought it is just because I have Après and Nail Couture already, and I don't know. I don't know. I don't feel like these systems are too different. Everybody's just coming out with their own formulas and things like that. But I think everything kind of just works the same. It just depends on your preference of brand. Personally, right now, I really love Nail Couture. That's kind of like my main like go-to for nail stuff right now. But I was curious about the kiarasky system, and a couple people asked me about it and if I was planning on trying it out, and I was like, you know what, why not? So this is gonna be a first impression of it. Go ahead and open, and this is how the packaging looks. You get a really nice pink box. And what I love the most is the actual package is very discreet, so you don't have to be worried about getting robbed. And then everything is really nicely packaged. You have the bubble wrap. I'm just gonna take out. Yes. So yeah, so let's start off with the first product in here. Is their flashy light. So this is the lamp that it comes with. I was actually really excited to try this lamp out because it seems more practical to do your own nails with this lamp than the other ones for sure. So I'm just gonna open it up for you guys so you guys can see. You guys remember, I mean, you guys obviously know that I use my little flashy light, and that's just like so perfect for me. From the looks of it, this seems like a good product. So the box is really nice. It just opens up like that. It's magnet. Their packaging is really nice. Really, really nice. So here is the light. This is the Beyond Pro Flash Cure LED lamp. So it looks like this. So it's really easy just to slide your finger in there and cure really fast. So as you guys can see, there's 2 LED lamps under there. If you guys can see. 2 LED lamps under there. And then it also comes with the plug as well as the box. So when we test that out, we're gonna test this out as well. It does come with a warranty card as well as an instruction manual. It's all pretty like, I mean, I never read instructions on anything. I just get right in there. Actually, I'm gonna put the camera down so that you guys can see it. And I really love the packaging, but I hate when packaging is like too overdone because I'm just gonna throw it away anyway. And that makes me really sad for the environment, so yeah. So in here you get the jelly prep, you get the jelly primer, the builder, and the top coat. So that's pretty standard for everything. So the prep is usually like a dehydrator, and then you have the primer that's gonna help adhere everything. The builder, which is basically just like the liquid to adhere your tips to your natural nail, and then the top coat as well. So I don't know, it's a pretty reputable company, so I expect their top coat to be amazing. I expect everything to be amazing. I also got the, what tips are these? These are the medium coffin tips. It comes with 10 different sizes and 500 pieces. So let's go ahead and open it. Honestly, it's really hard to get out of this packaging, so I'm just like, I do like the packaging though, it's very nice. So here are all the tips. They do smell like gel nails, but It's a little bit different from the other systems that I used. So these, ooh, that's a good length. That's a perfect length. Yay. I'm obsessed. So these are the medium coffin. If you guys can see, this is how long they are. So I'm used to having long coffin. What number is this? 5. I'm used to having long coffin, so I'm very excited to try these out. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Another thing that it comes with is this jelly tip soak off instruction guide. It just gives you like the runaround of how to use these and things like that. I'm already pretty familiar, so I'll walk you guys through it if you care to see. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I apply this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go in with my pink drill bit. And this is just to clean around the cuticle area, and then I'm just going to rough up the rest of my nail. I've already filed my nails and cleaned them up prior to filming, so I'm just gonna remove some of the shine. And before anything, we're gonna do our sizing. So I really love the size of these. Okay, so we want it to be sidewall to sidewall. You guys already know, nothing changes. So these do fit my nails pretty well, so I'm not gonna have to do any additional shaping, which makes me very happy. Just before I do anything, I'm just going to etch the inside of these nails. I would recommend this for any soft gels that you use. Okay, so we're gonna start with step 1 and step 2. This is prep and prime. So we're gonna prep the nail, and then we're gonna prime. So this nail prep is different from anything I've ever used. I'm not sure what kind of prep this is, but it's different from my normal, from the Après dehydrator, I guess. I don't know if this is a dehydrator. I don't know, but anyway, we're gonna go in the primer next. The prep and the primer seem to have the same consistency, which is interesting, so I don't really know what the difference is. Okay, so I'm gonna do everything the same how I would normally apply Après nails. So I'm gonna go in with the builder. I'm gonna do a thin coat of builder on my natural nail. Ooh, that's really thick. It's super thick. That's the issue that I had with Après, is their builder was way too thick for my liking. And that's when I started using Enelt Couture's, because it wasn't as thick as this. But we'll see how this goes. I get nervous when products are super thick like this because it usually causes heat spikes for me. Okay, so now I'm gonna cure this under my lamp. I'm just using my full lamp. We're gonna do that for 30 seconds. Okay, so now we can start with the light. I got the lamp already. The reason why I hate lamps like this, I mean, this one seems the most practical for when you're doing your own nail, for sure. But I just don't like that it's a plug. Like, I have so many wires going on right now that it's just too much to have it. And it's a pretty short one also. It's just too much. I wish it was battery powered. So the switch is here. And I don't know if it cures for 10 seconds or what, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the pinky. I'm gonna do everything the same. Just gonna place some in the nail. And a little bit more in the cuticle area. So I'm going to turn the light on now, just so I don't have to worry about it. I'm going to just put it at the cuticle and rock it down. I'm going to stick my finger under the lamp. So that's much more convenient. A lot more convenient than using like a flashy light or the Opry lamp. So there's one nail. Let's go ahead and do the others. These nails actually feel very strong already. So, wait. I'm actually not getting any heat spikes from these nails, which is good. So I think this lamp stays on for 30 seconds. I'm gonna bust out the big lamp and we're gonna cure for another, I'll do 60 seconds. Okay, so this is what we have right now. This one is super crooked, so I'm actually going to do a soak off on this real quick, soak it, and I'll be back in 5 minutes to see how well it soaks off. Okay, so while we wait, I'm gonna go ahead and start filing and shaping up. I prefer my coffins to be a little bit narrower. I guess that's ballerina, I don't know. So I'm just gonna come in and file the sides up. I'm also gonna file a little bit on the side walls. This is just standard, this is what I always do. But overall, the nails look really good. They're actually pretty clear. I know with some of these systems, it's really easy to lose the clarity on the clear nails. But these are actually pretty nice. Okay, so we could check this nail out now. I think it's been long enough. Let's see how it soaks off. It's sticky. It's just like Opry. Reminds me of Opry. It's not the easiest to soak off, or not the fastest, I guess you could say. I think if I soaked it longer, it'd be fine, but okay, so now that everything is all shaped, I'm gonna go around and clean up the cuticles. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm a creature of habit when it comes to nails and the brands that I prefer. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't mind this product. I think it's a really, really good product, and I think it's a really good at-home system. But I like what I like. Yeah, I think what got me most is the soak-off process, because it took a little while to soak off, and even when I did soak it off, it still wasn't soaking off, if that makes sense. So I don't know. It seems really good. I love the tips. I'm absolutely in love with the tips. Maybe it's the builder gel that I'm not crazy about. Maybe that's a little thicker than what I'm used to. But that's good. I mean, it's really good for longevity of the nails, but it creates for harder soak-off times. So that's the nails, guys. I'm just going to paint them, and I'll be right back once I'm all finished. So once that's done, I'm going in with my cuticle oil. You guys have seen me post this plenty of times. This is available on my website. Just gonna apply this to my nails, massage it in. I already watched this. Let's see, but that's it. That's the final look. Very simple marble nude design. But yeah, that's what we have.